Hey everyone, my name is Chris and today we're going to make an Aroid potting mix for some of your most tropical, rare houseplants. So we're going to do 5 parts of wood bark or coconut chips. That's 2. This is going to make for an airy and chunky potting soil that's going to be great for aroids and things that need a good amount of drainage in the root system. And 5. Then we're going to do 3 parts of perlite. 1, 2, and 3. 1 part of sand, 1 part of peat or houseplant potting mix, or really anything peat based to hold that water. The peat and or potting mix is optional. It just depends how often you want to be able to water your plants. The less you want to water your plants, put more peat in it. If you're going to be away on vacation, put more peat in it. But peat does have the ability to create more root rot because it tends to compact and suffocate the soil and the root zone. And we're going to do 1/4 part of a granular plant food. Now we're going to mix this up. And what you'll see, it's a very chunky type of mix. It doesn't hold a ton of water. So with this, you're probably going to be watering every once a week or 10 days max. Probably 5 to 7 days, I'd guess. But the amount you water is always based on how much light the plant is getting and the ambient conditions it's in, how much heat, how much humidity, things like that. So we're gonna completely mix this together. And remember that when we do parts, this ended up being 10 1/4 parts. This can be a part, or a gallon can be a part, or a teeny cup can be a part. It's all just relative in terms of proportions. So there you have it. This is the Aroid mix. It's great for really expensive plants, honestly, that you can't afford to root rot. And it's a good mix between soil and leca. So it's a good blend that is more forgiving than leca, but it doesn't have all the issues that soil does. This will tend to attract less fungus gnats and it will really decrease your chance of overwatering. So this is our Aroid planting mix. You can make it yourself or you can buy it on our website. It's up to you. But we highly recommend doing something chunky and airy like this for your more expensive houseplants. That or leca. We really don't advise a full peat-based soil or potting mix. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you did enjoy the video and or learn something new about soil, go ahead and click the thumbs up down below and maybe click the subscribe button so that you come back every Saturday for a new houseplant video on tropical houseplants. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.